What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and this is now day 61 of this beginning 5K program. We are excited, we are happy, let's get moving everybody. Alright, like I said, if you push this button, you're on day 61 of this 5K program. You're doing amazing. We are really proud of you. And today's actually a rest day, but Coach Robin has something to say, so you want to listen to it because all these great tips are going to help you be successful in this 5K program. So here she is.
Hi friends, welcome to Friday Rest and Recovery Day. I decided to come back to Carlsbad Beach. It's just so nice out here. And seeing people from a distance is a nice thing. So I just decided to come back out here. And I'm going to chat with you for a minute about race day, since we're just a little over a week away from that. And what I wanted to tell you is, don't get nervous, don't get anxious. You can get excited, but don't get nervous or anxious about race day, because it's literally 0.1 miles more than we would have already done. So we basically will have done the distance. And what I don't want you to do is don't do anything different on race day. If you need to do something different that day, or change your sleep habits, your patterns, or wear something different because it's race day, don't, okay? If you get a t-shirt for a race that you've signed up for, don't wear it on race day. You don't want to wear anything different, do anything different than you've done the whole time, because you don't want any surprises come race day, all right? So that's the biggest tip I can say, is just don't change anything, don't do anything you want on race day. Anyway, take it easy today, figure out something to do, and I'll see you back here tomorrow when we're going to bump back up to 2 and 3/4 miles. See you then.
All right, day 61 is down. You did it. It's just a rest day, but tomorrow is a workout day, so make sure that you rested up, or you just worked out your upper body. Hopefully you did something, or you rested. But the one thing you didn't want to do is work out your legs, because that you're going to be using those tomorrow. So make sure that you rest up the legs today. And if you like this video and this program, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel. That way you get notified every time we put out a healthy living video, which is every week. And also make sure that anybody who can use this 5K program, or anyone who just wants to get healthy, make sure you tell them or share this with them so that they can join all the fun and subscribe to the channel too. So that's all I had to say, other than if you are new, if you happen to stumble upon this video, make sure you play the playlist is going to pop up any minute, and that will put you on day 1, and you can start from scratch, and that way you can join in all the fun. Anyway, for all the rest of you, we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.